Hello, my name is Klaus and welcome to another Mazda video. And for this we are celebrating 500 subscribers. So thank you all 500 of you. Especially for you, I set aside the priorities to show you something really easy that you can even do. I will call it the LEDification, so LEDification of the Mazda 6 GH models. These are the original side lights, blinkers. You're gonna go to these. This is just one bulb you can see. And this is LED. So I'm gonna show you right now how it looks while this is on and while this is on. I'll show you at night time how this looks and how this looks. Now what you want to do is slide this backwards a bit. You can see from the back. This is how it's held on, and this is where it hooks in the front. So what you have to do is, here's the wheel, you slide it backwards. See it has a movement. You can see it moves this far. So you move and pull it towards yourself, the front. There you go, a bit more, there you go. Yeah, it's coming. Come on. I know you want to out. There you go. You can see from the very top. See, right there. That's what's holding it in. So once you pop this out, it all comes out. Then it's basically push this tab down and pull. Basically this tab and pull, see? It might get stuck and you won't feel that this tab is engaged here. You won't even feel it. But you need to press this down and make sure you press it and then just wiggle this and pull. Then it will come out easily. You can see if something has changed something or no, because this dirt is here. So give me a sec, I'll clean off the dirt. Like this. That's more like it. Now let's go for the new one. Let's peel. Ooh, damn. You can see the light, the LED light. So like this. Clicks, then push this end first, then it is a bit loose because it's not 100%, but it's there. Now let's turn on the hazard lights and see how it looks. Damn, that looks awesome. Damn, that looks slick and awesome. And if you have a black car, look at that. It blends in, you cannot even see it, it just blends in. See? And the other side I already changed. See, it's all black. It blends in so nicely, apart from the scratch obviously. It blends in so nicely. So, there you go. It will take you literally 3 minutes. Per side, let's say 5 minutes, and you'll be fully LED'd on the side. And these two, well, you can sell or you can keep on the side, because I don't know how long those will last. So yeah, this will be my thanks to you for reaching 500 subscribers. There are 500 of you. So I'll give you something easy and nice to do. It's pretty nice, pretty easy. If you like it, then do it. If you don't like it, then consider this as an informative video. So thank you all for 500 subscribers. Of course, I will continue on working on the Mazda, continue uploading videos. So thank you all 500 to you. If we grow even higher, and then I will put even more updates. There are subscriber goals which we can achieve, and I'll do some mods, not fixes, how to fix the car, but how to modify the car, how to look great, better, or even sound better, or even anything else. So thank you, all 500 of you, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye!